Ana Jopuonjre mbalariany ma JKUAT ne obago ng'anyo e tesendo bila maju JKUAT ka gikwedo nek mar nyawadgi Denzel Omondi. Omondi mane ni e ike mar adek e mbalariany no ne olal bang' ng'anyo e wi paro mar chiko omenda e boma ma Nairobi kendo ringre ne onwang' e bugo moro ma yo Juja tarik 6 dweni. Jopuonjre go buogo mar dhi nyime gi ng'anyo kendo rocho somo e mbalariany nyaka piny owacho winj ywak margi. Bende gikwedo mokalo nek kod meko ma tok chik mitimo kod obila e pacho ka.
And after post-mortem, we are telling that we are being told that he sworn. If he sworn, the post-mortem says he was there for 3 days. How about the other 3 days? Where was he? What has brought him to the street is that the DCI are taking this matter slowly. Denzel was a son to somebody. A father invested in him. A parent had hopes in him. Parents sold everything to bring the son in school. Only to because that your son is dead. Only to carry the son back home in a casket.
After Denzel was found, comrades were there. I personally was there. And they were telling us, we step aside, we can't take photos, we can't see the body. How? And then taking him to Thika. And then tukifika Thika pale tunaambiwa tuwezi ingia kumuona.
Why?
Nini mnaficha? What is the government hiding from us? We are comrades.
Denzel was involved in the anti-tax demonstrations. After that, he was abducted on 26th of June this year, when state operatives, including the incompetent National Intelligence Service, was abducting people. Since then, amepatikana amekufa. So you want to know what is the status of an inquiry of his murder inquiry? Because clearly we are seeing an opaqueness in the way these sham investigations are being conducted.
Ramogi.